Hello everyone! From McWane Science Center, I'm Christopher, and this is SciSparks. Today's episode of SciSparks starts with a riddle. Stick around. Here I have two cups, one made of plastic and one made of glass. Try to imagine what they feel like, which one feels warmer and which one feels cooler. Here's the riddle. If I pour an equal amount of ice into both cups, in which cup will the ice melt fastest? We'll get the answer to that later in the video. But first, here's an experience we've all had. Standing barefoot on the bathroom mat, our feet nice and warm, until we have to step onto the tiled floor and, ooh, ice cold. But how much colder is the tile really? Well, we can find out with the help of this super precise infrared thermometer. With this thermometer, I can see that the bath mat is 73 degrees. Meanwhile, the tile is, that's strange, also 73 degrees. But how can they be the same temperature when the tile feels so much colder? It turns out that what you feel isn't the tile's temperature, but rather it's thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity describes how well something transfers or moves heat. The tile is a conductor, so when we step on it, it transfers heat away from our skin, making our foot feel cold. The bath mat, on the other hand, is an insulator, the opposite of a conductor. So when it touches your skin, very little heat is transferred away and your foot stays warm. That's why touching the 600-degree air inside an oven feels comfortable, but touching the much cooler 300-degree stovetop does not. Which reminds me, let's look back at our cups. Think back to the prediction you made. Did you think that the ice would melt faster in the glass or in the plastic cup? Well, here's your answer. While some of the ice melted in the plastic cup, in the glass, there's hardly any ice left. Glass, like this aluminum block, is a conductor, which means that, unlike plastic, it can quickly transfer the heat of the room into the ice. So, what's the big takeaway? Well, when it comes to keeping your feet warm, your ice cold, or your coffee hot, insulators are the way to go. Well, that's the end of another video. If you enjoyed this episode of SciSparks, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, or visit us online at McWane.org. If you've got an idea for a future video you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, bye!